In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product spec sheet in Canva. Before we jump in, gather a few essentials. A free Canva account works perfectly. Clear product photos, and the key details you want to showcase. Things like specs, standout features, materials, dimensions or sizing, the price, and the SKU or item code. If you offer a warranty or have special notes, keep those handy too. Open your browser and head to canva.com, then sign in. In the search bar at the top, type Product Sheet or Cell Sheet. You'll see a range of ready-made layouts. Pick a free template that matches your brand's vibe and the amount of information you need. Think about where this sheet will live, online or printed, so you can choose portrait or landscape and a clean, readable style. Next, bring in your visuals. Click Uploads on the left, choose Upload Files, and select your product images. Once they appear in your library, drag them straight into the image frames on the template. You can double-click to crop or reposition and use the image adjustment tools to brighten or add contrast. Aim for high-resolution photos so your product looks crisp. Now add the details. Click a text box and type your product name prominently. Then fill in the fields your audience expects: specifications, key features, materials, dimensions or sizing with units, price, and the SKU or item code. If you offer a warranty, summarize it clearly and use a short notes section for helpful extras like care instructions or lead times. Keep sentences tight and scannable so buyers can find information quickly. Time to arrange and style. Swap the template fonts for your brand fonts, adjust colors to match your palette, and fine-tune spacing. Maintain a clear hierarchy. Product name first, then the most critical details. Use alignment tools to keep elements tidy and add simple icons from the Elements panel to reinforce ideas like durability, sizing, or materials. Leave enough white space so the sheet feels uncluttered. Before exporting, review everything carefully. Verify sizes, specs, and prices against your source. Make sure images are sharp and aligned, and skim for typos and consistent units. When you're happy, click Share in the top right, choose Download, and select either PDF Standard for digital use or PDF Print if you'll send it to a printer. Click Download, and your polished product spec sheet is ready to share.